Should you file your idea before prototyping or after? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And here's what I'm going to tell you real quick. This video is if you're going to file a patent application, spend all the time and money to do so, make sure that your idea is one that's validated. So if you, the inventor, need to go prove it to yourself, yes, prototyping is required before filing. So once you've got that point, maybe you've got this ugly Frankenstein thing you've built in the garage, but it works, great. Now you're ready to at least file something. Now, if you're not at that point, I highly recommend you getting it built. Maybe you got to bring in a third party. Do what you got to do to go get that thing built, to build your confidence, to show that it works to yourself. You've got to be able to sell this first. So prototype before filing, make sure it validates, then go ahead and get patent pending. Take care, everybody. Have a good day. Go big, go bold.